morning, world. Well, what could I say? Great time at Thunder Bay. Special thanks to Kyle for his hospitality and bringing me out fishing. He got to try out his new boat, so all in all, it was a great weekend. It's Sunday morning now, and while it's not currently raining, it's overcast, and it's supposed to rain for the next 3 days here. So really, can't go fishing, can't do anything. So what the plan for today is, we're heading out of Thunder Bay right now. I have Kyle following behind me, and he's following me because I'm not going to be coming back. We are going for a breakfast with some people we know up here. Call it a work breakfast or whatever. And after that, I'm going to start heading towards another zone to try to find some better weather for the week. The plan for today in driving is, I don't know where I'm ending the day at. The most important thing is that I have internet tonight, because tomorrow I have a 12-hour work day and I need my internet to be reliable and working. So tomorrow's not an entertainment day or anything, it's back to work, but we just need internet. So right now we're gonna go for lunch, breakfast, and when I hit the road again, I will check in, and we'll start going up 11, which means the first 3 hours or so we did it on the way in, and then after that it's all new scenery for us to explore and enjoy and see where we end up. So I'll see you in a couple hours when we're ready to start actually getting the big road here. Guys, we pulled over right here in these Palisades escarpments or whatever because there was a pullover, and because I saw a cool like waterfall looking thing up here, so I thought I'd come and see if I could get a picture of it with my phone. On this side we have the lake and the water, absolutely beautiful, and on this side it's cliffs and shit all the way up. But just a couple feet over this way I saw like a little waterfall. So you can see the big escarpments here in front of us, monsters. And then, I don't know if you could see, it's nothing but 18-wheelers on this road. Over there is the crazy waterfall. That is awesome. That looks beautiful. I'm off at the historic site now, so I should be able to put up my drone no problem. So why don't I see if I have enough battery and get my drone up. You guys look at a few seconds of drone footage, and I'm gonna drive the rest of the way to McLeod Park, and we'll see you when we get there. See you in a bit.
From my lips, feel big from the bip. cause you can lose life on this fast route. Yeah, turn thoughts to a cash cow.
Got stopped by some sort of construction, but you can see, all we see this whole time is just thick trees all the way. Both sides, just thick trees all the time. Nothing really to see. Another 120k to Hearst, I think, or just under. That's all we can do is wait now. I'm in the middle of nowhere waiting. That's very curious. Look at this trucker. This guy's coming out to yell at him now. And this guy's trying to bypass. You can't see it in the mirror. The trucker trying to completely bypass everything. They're making him reverse now. He crosses to the wrong side of the road and tries to get past this whole lineup of parked cars waiting for construction. And then this one guy up here shaking his head, he got out, went back there, and he's like, what are you doing or whatever? And this guy's still struggling to reverse now up that hill. He has to reverse up a hill on a turn to try to get back to the pylons. Man, the stuff you see. Now the guy with the sign is yelling for the trucker to keep going because he decided to stop and try to cut across. But he's getting yelled at. The lady with the sign, sorry. Doesn't get his own lane? Wow. At least they piss everyone off, not just me. Look, he tried to come and squeeze in through the pylons and they're like, no, you're going all the way back. Look, they're chasing him down the... Like, no, keep going back, and he can't. What he's doing is he keeps ending up on the shoulder and almost into the ditch. Can't get it to reverse properly. And now she chased him all the way down. So he couldn't get off the road. Here he comes. He was unable to get off the road, so can't drive.
Blair, make sure he doesn't go up that lane.
They're trying to stop him. So they actually blocked them with a construction pickup truck at the front, and now they're letting, he moved out of the way, and now they're gonna let us go through. This was weird. Now they're making us go on this side, and they're probably holding that truck up or something. I don't know, this is funny. Yeah, look, they're not letting him go right now. They're blocking him. You sucker. They're blocking him. 72 right here. Maybe I could be level. No, it's trying to go down there, so that's too far. And up a bit there. That might be a little closer to level. Let's see. All right, I'm not crazy for this campsite, but we're here nonetheless. I was able to pre-register, pay for the site, everything. So what I did is I just paid for 2 days anyways. That's because tomorrow I'm not really going to be able to do anything in this park because I'm working all day. And then if I find something good in the evening, I'll probably won't be able to do it until the next day. So oh, I need my surge protectors. So I've picked this for 2 days. I'm 100 yards from the actual spot I want it to be, so it's not that bad. And the rain is starting now. It's starting to spit on me, so at least the mosquitoes will go away. But I think I'm going to do my awning and put everything down now, get ready. I'm just downloading a level here on my phone. And I'll see you guys in a few minutes once I'm plugged into power. That's the closest power I've ever had at a site. And once I have everything opened up and ready to go, I'll see you in a few. Okay. Well, I could tell you this park is a shit ton busier than any of the other parks we've been in all week. There's a ton of people here. There's even, for the first time all week, there's people in tents camping here. But realistically, you would expect it to be busier, I guess, the closer you start getting to Toronto. I'm 8 hours out of Thunder Bay, so, and I'm a lot closer to the Sioux and even closer to North Bay than Thunder Bay by far. I'm probably 3 trips to North Bay to get back to Thunder Bay. So you would expect it to get a little busier. And as for the tents, that's because all week I had heat on. Yesterday in Thunder Bay, if you in that fishing video on the river, I'm wearing my winter parka. Like, it was freezing cold, and it's hitting 0 at night up there still. Where over here, I actually have my air conditioning on for the first time. The only problem is there is mosquitoes everywhere. They're all inside here already, everything. So what a pain in the butt. But I'm not gonna complain about a few mosquitoes. At least it's warm. I just gotta cool this place down, otherwise I'll never fall asleep. Yeah, well, that's about it. I might go exploring a bit if the rain stops before dark, but I think right now I'm gonna fix my cover because I see a bit of daylight through one area. And I'm gonna set up my workstation for work tomorrow. I'll probably get ahead and send some emails and stuff tonight. Delayed delivery to morning. Don't worry, guys, I won't bother you on a Sunday. And that'll be it for the night. Then tomorrow morning we get up nice and early. We have a long 12-hour day tomorrow. And then after that we'll see what this park brings. Tuesday we'll leave here after work or whatever, and I'll probably be stopping in Temagami, which is only a couple hours away from here. It's not very far at all, if even a couple hours. Haha, killed you, mosquito. Sorry. And we'll see what happens. So for now, I guess, you know what, unless if I don't go for a walk anywhere or do anything, that'll be it for tonight. No point in bothering you. Some dinner, some TV, and some laptop. So other than that, I'll see you tomorrow, unless I go for a walk somewhere. And we'll pick this up where we left off. Long day of driving, seen some crazy things. It was fun. And who knows what we'll see tomorrow. So for now, peace.